Good morning and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin and I have some great information for you all today. We just returned from our International Academy of Mini Dental Implants meeting in Las Vegas, Nevada at Caesars Palace, and what a great show we had. We had wonderful speakers including Gordon Christensen, Dennis Flanagan, Andrea Smith, Diana Rodriguez, our new incoming president, and of course we want to thank Andrea Smith for her 2 years of service as our president, and now she is president emeritus. We just had a great weekend, and I know many of you were there, and it was so nice to see you. At the meeting, as I promised you in a previous Monday Morning Minute, we were going to have a number of different announcements and celebrations during the course of this year to celebrate our 20th year in business at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. Well, after 20 years of doing mini dental implants, actually I've been doing them for 23 years now, and I found that the success rate of the mini dental implants and the mono implants is phenomenal. In fact, over 94 or 95% success rate over a long-term period of time. And what we found with the research that we've done is that if the mini implants are going to fail, they will generally fail within the first 6 months, if they're going to fail. And I'm not saying they will, but if they do fail, it means they fail to integrate with the bone. But once they reach that 5 to 6 month threshold, the long-term success rate is phenomenal, in the high 90% success rate. So what I've decided to do as a company here at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T is, as a first time ever, no other mini implant company has ever done this to my knowledge. We have our implant and restoration warranty. And I'm going to read it to you. If a Shatkin F.I.R.S.T implant fails to integrate within the first 6 months of placement, Shatkin F.I.R.S.T will replace that implant or those implants and the restoration on top of those failed implants with equal value implants and equal value restoration at no charge to the customer, provided the following conditions are met. You initially purchase the implant or implants from Shatkin F.I.R.S.T along with the case planning and surgical guide stent for that case, and you utilize a Shatkin F.I.R.S.T restoration for the case. So bottom line is, we are warranting the success of your implants. They will integrate within the first 6 months, or they will be replaced free of charge. It's a first ever for Shatkin F.I.R.S.T, and to my knowledge, a first ever in the industry of small diameter implants. We hope you'll take advantage of that by purchasing your implants through us like you always do, and also using our case planning services. So with that, I want to just say that in August 4th and 5th, we have our annual Disney Yacht and Beach Club Resort annual convention for Shatkin F.I.R.S.T, and we would love to have you there. We have a full day with Gordon Christensen in Orlando. He did a teaser in Las Vegas, and it was phenomenal. Wait till you hear a full day with Gordon. And Dr. Thierry Giorno will be a special guest for us as well in Orlando at Disney's Yacht and Beach Club. And as you know, you're all invited free of charge if you're an existing and loyal customer of Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. All you got to do is pay for your airfare and your hotel. So we look forward to seeing you in Disney August 4th and 5th. Great to be here on this Monday Morning Minute, and we'll see you next time.